Strange RV Tours, Janet here, Janet the mechanic. We have our problem with our skylight over our shower. There's a hairline little leak and it's got moisture inside, and looks like I'm gonna have to do some work. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, got my last one coming out, just the screws, but anyway, looks like there's a hairline crack here. Looks like it's getting really brittle around the edge. It's lifting there fine. Let me see. And this is, I think, where it's actually coming in, right here. So, it looks pretty brittle over here too. So, I gotta be super careful, because we're in Never Land out here. So, see, yeah, it looks like it might be from here too. I don't know. It's pretty brittle and it looks like it's starting to crack. So let's see what I can do. Maybe some Flex Seal or something. All right. Okay, this is really super brittle, and it's like it's coming out the corners there. There's moisture inside this. This goes straight down to the shower. You know, it's amazing. It is old, but I don't know if I should. It's so brittle. We're going to have to get it replaced. But in the meantime, we're not even close to anywhere. But clean this up a bit. I'll probably put something to make it moist. Add. Huh. Okay. There's all my screws. At least it's not raining today. It's rather comfortable. But alright, I'm gonna go get some I think some Flex Seal maybe to put on around the lid, because there's seems to be some cracking over here, cracking here. Maybe some Flex Seal for now. But see all the moisture in there? And I don't want to pull off that liner. Oop. See? There's a lot of moisture in there. I don't want it to get moldy. Okay. Let's see how it goes. I'll go get some more cleaner and clean that up good. And I'll seal around here again with the caulk gun. Alright. Okay. I pretty much just lifted this off and it came off like nothing. So I'm going to clean this up and reseal it. I guess I gotta use something clear. So I don't know. Came right off. It's sitting in the sun. Maybe that's why. Or it's just old, like gunky. So I'll try cleaning that off. Clean that off. I'll put some rubber seal conditioner around that. And I'll caulk around there. And I gotta clean this up and see if I can get this off. It's like kind of gooey, but this feels pretty brittle too. I don't know. See what I can do. Yeah, we're out in the country, kids. That's so gooey. I don't know what will work best. Maybe if I just scrape it off and then maybe use some sealant. This is white. I don't want to use white, but I'll use that for around here. Clean it off as I can. Okay, y'all. I did put some more sealant around the Skylight, around the base. I did throw some Flex Seal on the outside of the cover and letting that set. Yeah, but just on the hairline cracks. And after doing that, I'll go ahead and try to clean up some of this and then put a clear sealant and re-seal that. But yeah, it's nasty looking. And I can put some rubber seal conditioner on this because it's dry. It's been sitting there forever. Okay, so I'll start cleaning this off. It might come off pretty easy, I think. It's just ugly yellow brown. Ugh. Yeah, so I'm just gently scraping this off with a little putty knife. Yeah, it's coming off all right. There we go. Ew. See? Yuck. Got lucky with the weather today to do this. But after that rain, we saw all that water in there. I said, uh-oh, another problem. Yeah, I'll be doing that on the inside of the main dome because that's gross. I put a bead of the clear adhesive. It looks white now, but when it dries, it should be clear. I cleaned that yellow stuff the best I could. But we're going to end up replacing this anyway. But anyway, I'm going to try to put this back on top. See if it adhere pretty good. I got the top part pretty clean off. But, well, the bottom, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, let's see if I can get it on there without making a mess. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Push it down. Get it centered pretty good. Make sure there's a solid seal all the way around. I can see through it, so that helps. I'll put some more, maybe, on the edge. Yes. Some more through there. Yeah. I'll rub that down in there. Yeah, that should do it. So I'll go ahead and put some seal conditioner on that. Let this sit and dry. I think the Flex Seal did all right on it. I mean, all the little cracks, man. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the rag on there. I want to spray it down into my tub. There we go. Yeah. There we go. I think that'll do it. Yeah, it looks fresher. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, I gotta put this back together whether I like it or not. Gotta cover up that hole. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think we might be all right. Yeah, you can see that flex seal there, but all right. Yeah, they're lining up fine. Just don't want to strip them. Oh, that was the drill, that wasn't the plastic, so we're good. No more. Alright guys, Strange RV Tours, just finished up doing this skylight over the tub. It's in pretty poor shape. We're gonna have to get it replaced. We had heavy rain the other night and there was water in the top of it, in that liner. And anyway, we'll see how it goes. Let it set and seal up and order a new one eventually. I hope it doesn't leak. Right? If you like what I did, hit the like button. If you really like what we do, hit subscribe because there's all kinds of stuff. And hit the bell for notifications. You guys, thanks. Bye.